Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today we'll be checking out more things you should be buying in June 2024 at Harbor Freight. Today is Sunday, June 16th, so I want to take time to wish all the fathers out there a happy Father's Day. Hopefully you woke up to some donuts or a good breakfast and you feel appreciated today for everything that you do. And maybe you'll have some time to swing by your favorite store and treat yourself a little bit. So if you're watching today, Father's Day, and if you're not, make sure you hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I release a video. But Harbor Freight still has their Father's Day sale going on. Today is the last day to take advantage of that. This is available to everyone. You don't need to be an ITC member. And they have 10% off any item $50 and over, 15% off any item $20 to $50, and then 30% off any item $20 and under. Keep in mind that this is a single-use coupon. This isn't like the typical deals where you get up to 5 items at a time. You can only use this on 1 item. Also, this weekend, Harbor Freight has extended their parking lot sale. So if you missed out on any of those deals, today is the last day that you can pick them up. So with that out of the way, let's look at the top deals for the rest of June. First up, while not on sale, this is a newer item. This is the Gordon Magnetic Flexible Pickup Tool that has a built-in LED light. And this is just $10. The packaging on this is pretty interesting. It actually looks super old, but I think this is a pretty new item. I haven't seen it before. But these things come in super handy if you're in tight spaces and you dropped a screw. And the fact that this one has a built-in light is just awesome. Some other new items are these Doyle loppers. They have both the bypass loppers and anvil style loppers. The bypass ones are $40 and the anvil ones are $45. These look really nicely made. They have nice, comfortable grips on them. So if you need to do any pruning, check these out. If you need any quick suggestions on what to use that 30% off coupon for, here's some quick things that I think are excellent buys that are under $20. We're going to start here with the 25-foot drill-powered drain auger. If you're a homeowner, and especially if you have kids, specifically girls, make sure you have one of these in your house. This can save you hundreds of dollars in a plumber call. These are really easy to use. They make snaking drains, shower tub drains, sink drains, super easy. And the normal price on this is $15, but you can get it at around $11 with that coupon. This is also a great time to pick up some of those name brand items like WD-40 or this Orange Goop hand cleaner that I love. These are never really great buys over at Harbor Freight, but with that 30% off coupon, it makes these a great deal. This Vanguard Electrical Essentials Kit is a 4-piece kit. You're getting a power strip, a night light, an outlet extender, and a light duty extension cord, all for just $10. It's a great value in this kit. And with that 30% off coupon, you can bring it down to around $6 or $7. Now on to the instant savings deals that just dropped. First up here, we have the Pittsburgh Standard or Metric combination wrench sets. This is a 7-piece set for $22 a piece. You have the US General 5-outlet magnetic power strips. These have 2 USB ports. They are the old school USB-A ports, but these come in all the colors that those cabinets come in, so you can really match up your style. These are 17% off right now at just $28. If you're still using the cheap budget version of the ratchet straps that Harbor Freight sells, maybe it's time to upgrade if you're holding heavier stuff. So check out these Hallmaster 1,000 pound capacity ratcheting tie downs. This is a 4-pack for just $18. This has been on sale all the time recently, but I have to mention it every time it is. Here is the Warrior angle grinder. Make sure your lawnmower blades are sharpened. We're about halfway through the mowing season, so it's a great time to sharpen up those blades, and you can do it for just $10. If you got a new TV for Father's Day, check out this Armstrong 37-inch to 70-inch flat panel TV mount. This one's just $20, and it works well and is super easy to mount. You just mount the brackets to the back of the TV, mount the other part to the wall stud, and then it just lays on top of it, and $20 is a nice price. If you sometimes need a brad nailer and sometimes need a crown stapler, check out this 2-in-1 nail gun for just $25. This can do both 18-gauge nails and 18-gauge staples. This Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch drive, standard or metric color-coded deep socket set is a 10-piece set for just $10. These are awesome to have. They're color-coded so you can quickly grab whatever the right size you need is. And of course, with those Pittsburgh products, you're getting that lifetime warranty. These hook sets are really nice. They're just $3 for a 4-pack. They don't hold a ton of weight, but they're great for adding to a grill or griddle and hanging some tools from or anywhere else in your garage or shop. And these are 40% off right now. Your Pittsburgh extendable ratchet is just $12. This ratchet is double-sided, so it can be both 1/4-inch or 3/8-inch drive, which really makes this ratchet super convenient. If you have any painting projects coming up, make sure you check out this paint kit. This is their better quality It's a 9-piece set for just $10. You can't beat that at the big box stores. You're getting a large and small roller as well as the pads for those, and a decent paintbrush as well as a tray and tray liner. These Pittsburgh stubby claw hammers are super nice. Here's your standard hammer for $3, or you can pick up the ball peen style for $3 as well. The 14-in-1 painter's tool from Quinn is back on sale at just $4. This is a no-brainer to pick up. This is a scraper, a brush cleaner, a can opener, and I guess 11 other things that I have no idea what they are, but I'm sure they're useful, and this is a super useful tool. You can pick up this Hallmaster Diamond Braid Camo Rope for just $4.50. These are always great to have. If you need to replace any of your spray nozzles on your garden hoses, check out this cheap one from Greenwood for just $4. Nothing special here. I usually have to replace these each season anyway, so it's a good idea to just pick up the cheap ones. If you have any fencing projects or you're going to sink any other posts, check out this gas-powered auger for $180. That's $40 off the normal price, and really not much more than if you were going to go rent it for a couple days. You might as well buy one. And this one actually performs pretty decently. The Hercules wall-breaking hammer, or jackhammer, I guess you would say, is $100 off at $400 still. So if you need one of these, check this out. This Warrior corner and detail sander at just $10.99 is a great deal. You could really never have too many sanders, and these cheap ones work surprisingly well and are perfectly fine for most projects. Your Warrior titanium step drill bit sets are just $9 for a 3-piece set. These make drilling holes for a variety of projects so much easier. The detail brush set is a 6-piece set and just $2 right now. The Bauer 6-gallon 4-peak horsepower wet dry vac is still just $45. Bauer actually has their own version of the modular toolboxes that all these other brands have. I wish the line was a lot bigger. There really isn't that much to choose from. But if you just need a basic kit, here is the storage tote for just $20. That is 20% off. If you're looking to organize your shed, check out this Yukon multi-purpose wall mount. This is great for hanging up shovels and rakes and brooms, stuff like that. It's just $11. The Central Pneumatic high volume, low pressure gravity feed spray gun is just $10 right now, 37% off. This Blaster rust protectant is great to spray on any of your lawn tools that maybe you might keep behind your shed. I actually spray this on my pull behind aerator that I really only use once or twice a year, but I store outside. It does a great job of protecting it, keeping it from rusting, and you can get this for 20% off at just $8. They're having a nice deal on their Maddox. That's sort of their higher end auto stuff. Here, if you buy their high performance inflator, you get the heavy duty tire repair kit for free. So you can think of this as sort of your road trip emergency set. For $140, you're getting that compressor plus a tire repair kit. So if you have any flat tires on your trip, you are set. So this is great to have in your car or truck. Pittsburgh has their 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands for just $30, available in all these 6 colors. That's almost half the normal price. And you can get the matching 3-ton floor jack with the rapid pump for $110. Unfortunately, this is only available in red or gray for the sale. It's been a while since I've seen this Hallmaster 10 cubic foot dump cart on sale, but it's back on sale at just $120. This is one of the first things I picked up at Harbor Freight back in the day. I think I picked it up for just $100, which is really a price that you don't see anymore, but it works great. I still use it to this day, and it's great for spreading mulch or anything else you have going on in your lawn or garden. These Thunderbolt solar panels get high reviews, and here we have the 100-watt solar panel kit that comes with all the connections that you need, as well as the module. And this is $155, $15 off the normal price. This Pittsburgh tool set that comes in a nice 4-drawer chest is a 105-piece set. It's really just a nice starter automotive set and a great one to keep in your truck as a spare toolkit. This is $45, 25% off. The popular Pittsburgh chisel set is a really nice set, and this is back on sale at just $6. Some lights on sale. Here we have the rechargeable 290 lumen LED neck light. If you find yourself needing light in a hands-free situation, check out this. It's just $15. They also have this 7,000 lumen rechargeable waterproof light. That would be great to take camping. This actually has a battery bank built into it, so you can charge anything via USB, any of your devices as well. And this is just $50. Some batteries on sale. This is the Thunderbolt Edge. This is their top of the line batteries that really rival the Energizer and Duracells out there. Here's their 18-pack of AAAs for just $5. And then they also have their Thunderbolt Magnum battery packs. This is sort of their middle grade, which I find they work pretty well. but they have pretty much all of the sizes of batteries for $5.50, including your 9 volts, AA, AAA, C, D. All these batteries are $5.50 a pack. On to some Inside Track Club only deals. Here we have the Viking 1700 peak car battery jump starter with the 150 PSI air compressor. ITC members are getting $40 off here at $160. You can also pick up the Hercules thickness planer for $370. That is $60 off the normal price. The Quinn electronics repair kit is just $30. If you like tinkering with your electronics or repairing your phones and other devices, check out this kit. It has pretty much everything that you're going to need. If you need to replace the nozzles on your pressure washer, check out this 5-piece nozzle kit for just $17. This deal is just crazy right here. These aren't the best drills and flashlights around, trust me, but at just $10 a piece, you're getting the Warrior 12-volt cordless 3/8-inch drill driver and flashlight for just $20. That is $10 each, which is just crazy. This Doyle 11-in-1 ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver is really nice, and it's just $13. The Central Pneumatic Air Tool Accessory Kit is a 17-piece starter kit. Comes with your quick connects, a blowgun, your needles, all for just $7. Another ratcheting screwdriver set, a little bit bigger one from Pittsburgh, and a little bit more bits included. Here's a 26-piece set with a case. It's just $9. If you have any animals this summer lurking around your property that you might need to relocate, check out these animal traps for just $25. And then last up, we have the Niagara 2-way hose saver shutoff adapter. These things are always nice to put on all of your spigots, and this is just $10. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if I left anything out. As always, please give the video a like if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.